In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MFI or RSI enclosed by Bollinger Bands in TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have this indicator set up on your charts and ready to use in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you like, because we're only focusing on the indicator panel and the setup process. Start by moving your attention to the top of the chart and click on the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your price chart. When you click it, a panel will slide open, showing different categories and a search bar. This is where you can access all the built-in and custom indicators available in TradingView. Next, go to the search bar at the top of that Indicators window. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists of tools. Click inside the search field so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type MFI or RSI enclosed by Bollinger Bands into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. Look for the indicator with that exact or very similar name. Once it appears in the list, simply click on it one time. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually down below the main price panel, just like a normal oscillator. After the indicator is added, the next important step is to customize it so it fits your trading style and is easy for you to read. To do this, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator on your chart and click on the settings icon next to it. This will open the settings window where you can adjust things like the MFI or RSI length, the Bollinger Band period and deviation, and the colors or line thickness. Take a moment to tweak these inputs and style options until the indicator is clear and visually comfortable for you. When you're happy with the changes, click OK or close the window, and your settings will be saved on the chart. If you want to follow along exactly as shown and you're not using TradingView Pro yet, check out the link in the description to sign up. Once you're set up, repeat these same steps and you'll have MFI or RSI enclosed by Bollinger Bands ready to go in your TradingView Pro workspace.